Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can create a footer in Elementor. So firstly what you have to do is just simply go to your browser and open your Elementor dashboard. Now over there you have to install a plugin called Elementor Header and Footer Builder. So after installing and activating the plugin, what you can do is just simply click on settings over here or go to appearance and click on Elementor Header and Footer. Now over here, as you remember, we already created header. To create a new type of header or a footer, what you have to do is just simply click on add new over here. Then just simply enter the name, let's say footer. Now the first thing that you can do is select a template type. So for doing that, just go to options and choose footer. And in the display on, again choose the entire website if you want that, or you can choose any specific page. You can also add multiple rules, meaning if you want your footer to be visible in multiple types of pages, you can also choose those pages individually. Or if you want to exclude some pages, you can also do that by clicking on add exclusion. Now click on user roles and select all if you want that, or you can choose any other from the list given below. This applies to all the people who come to your website, or the login one, or the administrators, or the editors. You can specify that part over here. Now after doing all of that, just simply click on publish. Now after clicking on publish, you can see the preview changes. You can see over here the footer has completely disappeared. Now let's make the footer. So for making the footer, what you have to do is just simply go over here, then click on edit with Elementor. Now it will redirect you to Elementor page builder. So over here, the first thing that you have to do is select a structure. So the footer I am going to create is just for example, but you can follow along with the steps. So for creating a structure, what you have to do is just simply click on the plus icon, then select a structure of your liking from over here. For me, I will just simply go with the 3-layer structure over here. Now firstly, I will just simply change the color of the footer by clicking on this icon over here, then going to style, then click on the brush icon over here, then click over here and change it to black. Now what are we going to do is, in this first block there will be something about us, then in the second section there will be quick links, and in the last section there will be location, phone number, etc. So let's do that. So firstly, in the first block, what we are going to do is add a heading. Then let's change this to heading 4 to make it smaller, like this, maybe more smaller, and name it about us. And after doing that, you can change the fonts and all over here in the style section, and if you want you can also add a link, but I'm not going to do that for now. Now after that, we are going to add another level, which is going to be a paragraph. So for adding a paragraph, what you have to do is simply drag and drop text editor underneath about us. Now a rough paragraph has been appeared. You can change the text if you want over here, but for this tutorial I am not going to do that. So after adding the text, let's add some padding. So for doing that, go to advanced, then in the padding click this option over here, then enter padding for top and bottom. Now after that, let's add a button over here as well. So for that, again let's add a button right beneath about us, and let's name that read more. And let's also change the alignment as well. And after that, the next thing that we are going to add is quick links. So again, a heading at the top, change the size, H5 or maybe H4 this time, and let's change this to H4 as well. Yeah, much better. Now name it quick links. Now let's also centerize this as well, and for this one as well. Now in order to add the quick links, just simply search navigation and you will find navigation menu. So just simply drag and drop this item over here underneath quick links and it will be shown over here. Now in order to change this, just simply go to content, click on layout. Over there you will find horizontal, just simply go with vertical or any other you want, like expanded or fallout. It's up to you, but I will just simply go with vertical. I will also centerize this as well. Now it is done. Now in the last one, we are going to add some contact us information. So for doing that, again, add a heading, name it contact us, change it to H4. Now after that, add an icon list. So for doing that, just simply search for icon and over there you will find icon list. So just simply drag and drop this under the contact us and you will have a list. Now let's make a little space. So for doing that, just simply drag this part, make it shorter and this one a bit longer. Now let's change some icons. So for doing that, just simply click on the pencil icon over here. Then for the first item, just simply click over here, then click on icon library. Now choose the icon that you want. So the first one is location. So you can find location icons by the name of map. Then just simply click on the icon and click on insert. And you can see the icon has been changed. So do this for all three of them. So for the second one, it will be phone. And then again, click on the icon and insert. And for the last one, it will be email. So for finding email, just simply type envelope and you will find the symbol. So again, just simply click on that and insert. Now to add the details, just simply again click on your first icon and over here just simply type in the information. Now just simply paste your text over here. Now just simply make some space. Now after that, add your phone number by clicking on the second link again. Then just simply type in your phone number. If you have another phone number, you can also type that. So this is just for a tutorial, so I'm giving random numbers. Now in the last one, for the email address, click on it and enter your email address. Now after making all the changes, just simply click on update in the end. And now when you go back to your website and just simply refresh the page, you will be able to see your new footer over here. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.